Hi guys, welcome back to another one of my videos. Today I thought that I would build a place where it would be good for me to answer questions and stuff like that, because my iPad's camera is down for some reason. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to answer Q&As and stuff on Minecraft, which I think will be a pretty good idea. Okay, so what I thought I'd do is I'd go into this world here, and I'm going to go, and I've gone to this island, and we're going to build ourselves a house for the videos. Okay, so let me just quickly go into first person view. Let's get building. Now, first we're going to move this bit here, so that then we are able to create the flooring that we want for the house. Good thing it stopped raining though, because we want it to stop raining. So this bit here is going to be pretty good, I'd say. This bit is going to lead up through like a stairway up to the thingy. It's going to be every two blocks. Will be a staircase, like a bit of the staircase. Okay, so I'd say the staircase is going pretty well. Now we just need to, one sec, I've got a problem. So guys, this is going to be the house where I'm going to be giving announcements and stuff like that, instead of using my phone, so you won't have poor quality anymore. Although, of course, I'll still do my vlogs and stuff on here. I mean, on my phone. So we'll still have the quality of my phone on there. Okay. Right. So now that we've done this bit here, we're then going to have this little bit here. Now this is going to lead up to the house, and just so we know this, we're going to get an iron block. It is good. So block of iron. No, block of iron. It's a block of iron, which is stupid. So we're going to make the doorway now. Although because I'm fat, I'd probably need a pretty big doorway. So no, we can't do that actually. Yeah, I think I'm good. I'm good. I'm not that fat. I'm not like so fat I can't even fit through this kind of door. Okay. Now I'm actually thinking of getting a dog in this game as well. So I probably need like a dog flap or something for him. Hopefully they invent that in Minecraft soon, because that would be cool if they did. Actually, I think I've got a pretty good idea. If I place an oak door here, and then get a trapdoor now, place that there. Okay, how about throw this then? There we go. Dog flap. See, it's a. Then so you do that, and then that, and then you can let the dog through. I'd say that's a good idea. Yeah, I guess just watch Magnum Musing's channel. By the way, shout out to his channel, because he's a pretty good YouTuber actually. He makes very useful videos that help, that can actually help me and tons of other YouTubers with their channel, because they all then know how to build. Well, what he does on his channel is he builds he makes things, like he shows how to make modern items like TVs, uh, microwaves and stuff like that. He uses redstone mostly for it though. I think there are only some very rare, I think it's like very rare to find a building of his that isn't using redstone to work. And one of my favourite ones that he did would probably be the one when he did the computer with the Windows XD sound, because that, just so you know, is memes. Because there's a meme or Vine that is used from the sound that the Windows XD thing makes. I think my voice is feeling a bit bad today. Okay. Now, as you can see, now guys, this is a pattern that I'm going to choose because I'm going to put something in the middle of this bit. Not dirt, because I'm not stupid. I'm not poor. Now let's see, what looks most like a stone slab? Ah, here we go. Polished andesite. So if I just go down here and use the polished andesite and then go around. It's going to take a while, guys. Now, by the way, guys, if I don't finish the house in this video, I will finish the house without using the video, and then I'll do a video tour around it. By the way, guys, just so you know, this is the video that I used this is the world that I used in my last video. The one that I said was going to be for on my videos and stuff. Yes, this one that I'm on. I'm on this world. Right. Let's get back to building the house, because we want to make sure we try and at least finish the floor of the first floor by the end of the video. Now I'm going to do the outline bit here so I know how far I need to go. Okay, right. So how far is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Actually, I think I'll do this instead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10. Okay, so ignore the 10, and then so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, okay. Right. Now we've got to do the same with this side here as we've done with this bit. Now I'm not sure what all the rooms are going to be. I think for the first floor we're going to have about, not sure how many rooms we're going to have for the first floor. We might have like the first floor leading down to some downstairs rooms, and then yeah, I think it's gonna be like an underground house. So like you walk in here, you go all the way up the stairs, and then you have to go down more, and then you have to go down more stairs to get down to where the actual house is, which is going to be quite far down, I'd say. Quite far down. Okay, so let's carry on. I'm really hoping that we get at least the first floor finished by the end of this video. So if we do, guys, that would be very good. got to do the end bit here. I'm not going to talk for this bit because I don't really know what to talk about while I'm building, and I've got a bit of a bad voice for some reason today. Okay, right. So now we need to go around like this bit, and then do the next bit of that. Okay, now we need to do the corners of each side. This bit helps what we're actually doing for this and everything. I feel like I'm doing it wrong. Yep, I'm definitely doing this wrong, guys. I think I'm doing it wrong. No, I'm not doing it wrong. Let me check. No, I'm doing it right. I'm doing it right, guys. Thank God. I actually thought I was doing it wrong there. Right, and then we need to connect. No, guys. What we need to do is we need to connect the sides of this bit here, and then we then need to build this bit here, and then now we can connect these all together. Now they're all connected together, and then we just simply fill it up with some polished andesite, which just, I think actually should just be called recrafted stone slab block or something like that. By the way, guys, if you notice why I've never have had any of my videos as you guys know, I've always had my videos under 16 minutes. That's because YouTube is sometimes a bit mean to me and decides to not let me have my videos as long as I want. I think that's because I haven't verified my Google account on this yet. But it does mean that every subscriber I get, every comment I get and everything on my YouTube channel, and every notification I get on YouTube, will then go onto my email because it's all linked up to my Google account.